Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can build your own interactive objects. So let's go to ICVR scenes folder, let's go to prefabs folder, and let's bring the ball into the scene. Now let's press play. And you can see here's my mouse, and if I hover over the ball, the cursor will change, and now if I press the button and hold, I can lift that ball and move it to another place, and if I release the mouse button I can throw it. And the same would happen in VR if you use your controller and you will try to pick that ball. So that ball is interactive because if we look in the inspector, it has some extra components attached to it. Okay, so now let's try to bring a new object into the scene and make it interactive. So let's go to our favorite asset store. And let's search for some object. Let's search for hammer. Let's hit free assets. And let's choose the hammer. And now open in Unity. As usual, import. And if we go back to assets folder, here we see we have the folder with a hammer. So let's go back to our scene. And here in the hammer folder, you have more folders. So for example, there's model. Let's go here. And here's our hammer. So let's bring it into the scene. And as we can see, the hammer is pink. So we need to fix the material as usual. Let's go render pipeline, universal render pipeline, upgrade project materials to universal render pipeline materials, and hit proceed. Okay, so now let's hit play. And now you can see that this hammer is suspended in the air, and I cannot pick it up as I can with the ball. So let's go to Hammers Inspector and let's make this object interactive. So first you need to choose the right tag, which is interactable, and then in the layers you have to choose objects. And now you have to add few more components. Let's add rigid body. And now we have the rigid body components here. All we have to do here, we need to change the collision detection to continuous speculative. And here, if you want, you can change the mass of the object, drag and the angular draft and some other bits. Let's add another component, which is rigid dynamics. And this is a script that allows object to be pickable. And it's a part of the ICVR framework. And we also now have to add some colliders. So let's add some box colliders. This is, so if you hit here, edit collider, then you will be able to adjust it. That's okay. And let's add another box collider. And let's adjust the box. Okay, that looks good. Now let's hit play. Now we can see that the hammer fall down on the ground. And if we hover over with the mouse, we can also pick it up. And if I run and I release the mouse, I can throw the hammer around. Okay, that's it. So you've just learned how to implement a custom interactive object. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you on the next one.